Howdy. Happy New Year, almost. It's December 31st, about 1 in the afternoon on 2024. And I wanted to give you a little update on some things. Beware of Walmart gift cards. You may have heard of this before, but if not, or even if you have, beware. Yeah, so we bought a couple of gift cards for Christmas for a few people from Walmart. They were the Walmart gift cards. And when we gave them to these people and they attempted to use them, one of them had a zero balance and the other one had $1.62. And we actually did put money on them. So we contacted Walmart and said, hey, but something's not right here. We trust both of these people. It's not like they would have opened them up and used them and then said, hey, you didn't give us any money. But what we found was as soon as they opened them, one person just checked the balance and it was zero, and the other person tried to use it at Walmart and said, nope, sorry. So we did some investigating and contacted Walmart, the number on the back of the gift card. And they said, okay, take a picture of the back of the gift card and the receipt and send it in to us and we will investigate. So they did. We did that. They did that. Then they sent us a lovely email back saying, okay, per the results of our investigation, we recovered $5 and which was significantly less than what was on the card to begin with, what we charged it up with. And they said, we've recovered $5 and you can have a new gift card for that amount. And we're like, well, that doesn't make sense. So we contacted them again, back and forth through the emails, and then called the 888 number again multiple times, and weren't really making much progress. They were just saying, look, you're going to have to fill out a police report, and you're going to have to fill out this affidavit, which is on our website. In order to fill out the affidavit, you got to get a police report. We have to have a police officer sign the document saying that we, are filling out this affidavit. I mean, it was a lot of red tape, a lot of pain in the butt. So the other option was to go back to the store and see if we can talk to somebody. So we thought, well, let's try that. We went back to the store, the local store here, talked with one person, and then they escalated it to a team lead or something like that. Then they escalated it to another person and finally escalated it to a third person, which was very helpful in trying to help us. He didn't have the final resolution. He tried different things on the phone with the gift card team and ultimately ended up bringing the store manager into it, who wasn't there, but he contacted him, provided the information. I guess they looked at the security footage to make sure that I, in fact, did purchase those gift cards at their store. So they did all that, and they ended up coming back and saying, tell you what, we're going to do customer appreciation. We'll go ahead and refund you, which is very unusual because they did tell me that that's not normal. They wouldn't normally do that. Once a gift card leaves the store, it's not their responsibility, they say. The puzzling thing about all of this is that these gift cards were not just like exposed gift cards where you have the little PIN number thing that you have to scratch off. They were actually wrapped up in cardboard with nothing exposed. So, and they were all with perforated edges and everything. So you couldn't, get the gift card out, because apparently there's a scam or several where people would go into the store, grab gift cards, kind of look at the numbers on it, scratch off the pin, the little sticky stuff on the pin somehow to get the pin number, and then somehow reapply the sticky stuff. I don't know how they do that, but apparently that's something that is a thing. Well, these ones were totally enclosed. And as a matter of fact, when I purchased them, I had to peel off it was a perforated window I had to peel back in order to scan the barcode of the gift card. And even when I did that, the PIN number and none of the numbers of the card were exposed. So then we were able to give the cards to the people that we wanted to, and then they were able to, tear them open and, scratch off the PIN number and so forth. So this tells me that it's got to be something in their manufacturing process where they're building these cards on machines. I know I used to work on machines that did similar, and probably either employees running the machines, possibly software engineers, or people that have somehow have contact with these cards when they're being assembled are probably getting these numbers and the pin numbers before the little sticky thing is applied to the pin number area. They're taking down this information and logging it somehow, and then they're just going on and checking daily, does this have a balance? And once it's got a balance, they're like, hey, let's go shopping. And that's what happened, because once the card was loaded, it only took about 24 hours for the first card, not even 24 hours for the first card, to have money spent. And it was spent on online. Walmart told me it was online shopping and also at a store, which is interesting. I'm not sure how that happened, but mostly it was online. The other gift card didn't get used at all, but once the card was loaded, it took 2 days. The person we gave the card to for that one, he hadn't even used the card. I asked him, hey, have you had any trouble using your card? And he goes, no, I haven't tried to use it yet. This was like 3 days later after we'd given it to him. And he said, let me go check the balance. I said, yeah, please do. So he checked the balance, and sure enough, it's zero, and it had the money used the day before. So it was like 2 days after, we purchased it, or 2 or 3 days after, and the money was used. So there's something going on. I did mention this to Walmart, to the person that helped me, and kind of forwarded it to the store manager. I did mention it to their gift card corporate office, so I'm sure they're aware of this. I'm sure this is something that's an issue. I went online and saw that there are other people that have had similar problems with Walmart gift cards. So watch out. Watch out for Walmart gift cards. Nothing is safe anymore. It's crazy. So interesting news. Way to end the year, but luckily we did get a refund on that, and we were able to give the folks cash, which is still good. I mean, probably not for long. Maybe cash will be no good anymore after a little while here, I think. So you guys have a happy new year, and we'll talk to you next time.